Hey beauties, in today's video we're partnering up with Curlsmith to show you how to create these fun mommy and me lion costumes using their new hair makeup in the shade Copper, which is a temporary hair color, and their Hold Me Softly style balm, both of which are available to purchase at curlsmith.com.
Let's paint my hair. It's cold. Ah! You sprayed my face. I can't see. Maybe it's orange. Maybe it's orange. It's not orange?
That's the cream, Kylie. That's the moisturizer.
Really?
Yeah. Do you want orange hair?
Yes.
Okay.
Give me! It is orange. It is orange. It is orange. It's orange. It's orange. Ah! It's orange!
Mm-hmm.
Orange. It's so incredible. It's gonna paint orange hair. Let me see.
Let's go back.
Rub your hands.
As you can see, the Curlsmith hair makeup is super easy to apply and is a fun way to incorporate color in your little's hair or your own without the risk of damage and harmful chemical ingredients.
Orange. Do the rest of your hair. Let's do this.
Just grab small to medium sections and apply the hair makeup to either wet or dry hair, depending on the style you're trying to create. The more color you add, the more vibrant it will look. So the hair makeup easily washes off, so there's no need to wear any gloves, as you can just wash the color right off your hands, and the color easily washes away with one shampoo, and it'll also wash off any towels or clothes you may have gotten it on during application. So you can easily remove any excess color you got on your skin with a damp towel or cloth. Once you finish coloring your little one's curls, pick out their curls to create their big lion's mane, and then you just use some makeup or makeup crayons from the Halloween store to paint on their lion face and add on some lion or cat ears to complete the look. Then mamas, go ahead and repeat the exact same steps on yourself to create your matching costumes.
Yeah, so cool.
You what?
I want to be a lion.
That's the sound lions make?
Never seen a mirror.
Nope. You're gonna see at the end.
Hey.
Keep you. You ready to see what your makeup looks like? You ready to see your final look? Are you sure?
Yes. Let's do the surprise.
Okay, see the surprise. I didn't let you see when I was doing your makeup, okay? You ready?
Mommy!
You like it? You lying? You're missing your ears now, okay?
I like it!
You like it? You did a good job?
It's Mommy's turn. Okay. Which is golden, okay? It is orange, Mommy. Don't touch your hair, okay? Don't touch your hair better last time, okay? Okay? Oh, don't mess up your hair, Mommy, okay? Just don't touch it.
Okay, I won't touch it.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Is it better?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Let's do all of the hair to Mommy.
So I was able to find the lion ears at the Halloween store, so you can check your local stores or get creative and make some yourself to complete your costume. I loved the copper color that the hair makeup left our hair with, and as you guys saw, Kylie was beyond ecstatic about getting her hair painted, and I just love the fact that I was able to do so in a safe manner, no commitment, no harmful chemicals, but just pure clean way to have some fun with my daughter's curls. Comment below and let us know if you've tried the Curlsmith hair makeup before, and let us know in what shade. Be sure to check the description box for more information on Curlsmith and their products. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We hope you guys enjoyed our Halloween video. We hope you have a safe and happy Halloween.
Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween. Ah, Tiffany.